Hey friends, if the front audio jack is not working in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the audio driver. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list of audio drivers and then we will right click and update all the audio drivers. Now you'll have to update all of them, not just the input ones or output ones, because all of them are interconnected. Okay, for example, if you are using a headphone which has a headset and a mic both, then you can't update their drivers separately. They have to be updated all together. The next one is to set your audio device as default. Click on the volume icon, right click on the sound icon and go to settings. Scroll down, select more sound settings, and then right click on your audio output and make sure that it is default if it is not already default. And the next one is to troubleshoot using the playing audio troubleshooter. Now it's just called the audio troubleshooter, not the playing audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, click on the corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.